Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about delete multiple records using checkbox. In last three video, we have created this ajax third operation. You can see here this ajax third operation. Okay. Now let's add the functionality of the deleting multiple records using checkbox. So for that, switch to the project and just open resources views and student.blade.php file, and here let's add the checkbox. Okay, so inside this for each and this tr, just add here a td and input type is equal to checkbox. All right, name, let's say name is ids, and class, let's say class is checkbox class. All right, and value is equal to double curly bracket and just add here dollar student id. All right, and inside the t head, just add here checkbox for selecting all checkbox. So just write here th, and inside this th just create input type is equal to checkbox, and let's say id is equal to chk check all. Okay, this is the id. Now save this file and let's check in just refresh the page, and you can see here the checkbox. Okay, all right, now make functional this checkbox. Okay, select and deselect all. Okay, so just scroll the page and here just add the script tag and then just write here dollar function and just pass here the e, and inside this dollar s, and what is the id of this checkbox. So just copy this chk check all and now just paste here dot click function, all right, dollar checkbox class. So just copy this checkbox class and add here dot uh, this class name, c checkbox class. All right, in here the, all right, now save this file and checkbox class dot prop, then get dollar this dot prop and just pass here the ticket. Okay, now save this file, and now let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now check this checkbox, and you can see here all checked, or if I click on this checkbox, all selected. Okay, unchecked. Now add the delete button, delete all button. So just go to the top, and here after this button, just add here button type is equal to button class btn dancer. Okay, and let's say id is delete all selected records. Okay, and just close the button tag, and here just try to delete selected. Alright, now copy this id, and here just write here dollar button id, which is this, delete all selected records dot click callback function. Inside this, just write here e dot prevent default, and let's create a variable, array variable. So just write here where all ids is equal to blank array, and dollar input colon checkbox name is equal to id. Okay, id is colon checked dot each callback function, and inside this function just write here all ids dot push dollar this dot val. Okay, now add here the ajax function. So just write here dollar dot ajax, and inside this ajax just write here the url, then type is delete data, first add here the ids, all ids. Okay, also pass the token. So just write here underscore token dollar input type input name is equal to underscore token. Okay, dot val. If success, then call a function here, function response. Okay, then dollar each all IDs function t and val dollar what is the row ID SID and student ID. Okay, so just write here has SID concatenation sign val dot remove. Okay, now save this file and go to the student controller and here just create a function public function delete checked a student request dollar request. Okay, dollar IDs dollar request arrow IDs. Okay, the student colon wherein ID dollar IDs and just call the delete function and simply return here a response as a JSON success arrow. Write here the message the students have been deleted. Okay, now save this file and now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php file, so just open routes then web.php and here just add the route delete and URI, let's say URI is selected students. Okay, controller name as student controller the rate function name. Let's copy this function name and also add the name here name the student dot delete selected delete selected. Okay, now just copy this route name and just go inside the student.blade.php file and here just add the URL, so double quote double curly bracket and just write here route and paste here the route name which is the student.delete selected. Alright, now save this file. All set. So now let's check it. So switch to the browser, just refresh the page. Okay, unexpected end of file. Let's check web.php. Okay, just add the semicolon. Now save this file, refresh the page. Okay, now select this record, and this. Okay, now click on delete selected. Alright, records not deleted. Let's check. So the open the console, and here on count reference dot dollar each is not defined. Okay, just go inside the student.blade.php file, and here dollar uh, dollar dot each. Okay, now save this file and just refresh the page. Just select any record. Now click on delete, selected, and you can see here the records are removed from here. Okay, if I check more records like this, click on delete, deleted records have been deleted. Now select all. Now click on delete selected. You can see all records have been removed. Alright, so in this way you can use checkbox for multiple record solution. So that's all about delete multiple records using checkbox. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.